EverBank saving accounts. Imagine banking that doesn't just keep up with your financial goals but actually propels them forward. With EverBank's innovative approach, you are not just saving, you are growing. Discover how EverBank is redefining what it means to truly invest in your future. So hey guys, and welcome in this video where we'll talk about EverBank high savings accounts. So what is EverBank? EverBank is a financial institution that combines the stability of traditional banking with innovative financial solutions designed to empower individuals and business alike. With a commitment to providing competitive rates, cutting-edge technology, and personalized customer services, EverBank aims to redefine the banking experience. Whether you are looking to manage your savings more effectively, invest for the future, or secure financing, EverBank offers a range of products tailored to meet your needs. Their mission is to help you not only achieve your financial goals but exceed them, all while maintaining a strong foundation of trust and reliability. So, first of all, all you have to do is open your browser and dive into everbank.com. You have your various information as you can see. So the first thing here we have how you can open an account, then you also how you can find your account if you already did an account and you want to find it. Then you if you first time, so you click over here and you put your account by writing your personal information and there you get started. Also we have your resources here and there we have how much people in EverBank and other options here we will set soon. So we have your personal banking, 5% API gives your savings and advantages, boasting a competitive high yield and no monthly maintenance fee. Our EverBank performance savings account makes your hard-earned money work harder for you. We have also here Ever Protected. With FDC insurance, you can be sure that your hard-earned money is secure and safe. At EverBank, your deposits are automatically insured by the FDC up to the legal limit. Also here, every performance ensure to get the most out of your money, so we deliver solutions that succeed from competitive interest rates to our performance accounts built to fit your individual needs. So we have also your 5% EverBank performance savings. Take your savings to the next level with our high yield account, boasting no monthly account fee, no minimum balance requirements, and easy mobile and online access. We have you. It's time you bank on more, get more out of your money, and how you bank with the accounts, services, and rates that separate us from banking as usual. Then you have your stock security. Rest assured that your information, accounts, and money are safe with our range of trusted security measures. Then we have your free cash access with our checking and money market accounts. Fully access your cash at over than 80,000 no fee ATMs across to the country. You have your mobile check deposits. Or go out of your way to deposit a check. Use our mobile app to send it to us securely and in a snap. We have also about us, learn about our rich history, dynamic growth, diverse services, and unwavering commitment to your financial success. And also you have your some information so you can keep it in mind. And if we scroll down, we have also here other things like EverBank. Here we are goes the new things, so you can text to EverBank if you want. Then we have your Discover, About Us, Awards and Recognition, Newsroom, Security Center, Search Cards, and then we have your resources, ATM Finder, branch locations, form and application, accessibility, My Money program, and that's it for this. And let's come back to the top here. So EverBank distinguishes itself by offering a comprehensive suite of financial products that cater to both individuals and businesses, providing competitive interest rates that maximize returns on savings, CDs, and investment accounts. Their innovative approach to banking is reflected in a variety of specialized financial products, including high-yield savings accounts and customizable investment options tailored to meet the unique goals of each customer, leveraging cutting-edge technology. EverBank's online platform and mobile app make it incredibly easy to manage your finances on the go. With intuitive interfaces and real-time access to your accounts, moreover, EverBank places a strong emphasis on personalized customer services, ensuring that every client receives expert advice and solutions are aligned with their specific financial objective. This commitment to personalization extends to their flexible banking solutions, which can be customized to fit the needs of individuals seeking simple checking accounts or businesses requiring complex financial services. So then we have security is a top priority at EverBank with advanced measures in place to protect your financial information and assets. Their global reach coupled with deep local market knowledge allows EverBank to offer insights and opportunities that are both expensive and relevant to clients in various regions. EverBank's dedication to growth is evident in their strategic buying resources, educational tools, and investment opportunities designed to help customers not only meet but exceed their financial goals, ensuring a secure and prosperous future. And also we have your other things like here we have personal, we have banking here, today's rates support, then we have your high yield accounts, we have performance savings, performance money market, performance checking, about CD accounts, we have your performance CD, about diversified we have investment, we have a diversified investment overview, precious metals, foreign currencies, market safety CDs. We have online and mobile, online tools and services, web banking, send money with Zelle, award and recognition. You have your business, you have your business home, today's rates, and you have support. So you click over the one you want to know, and then you know more information about EverBank and how it works. Then you have your account, check-in, overview, money market, high yield CDs, business CDRs, CDs, currency, access accounts, and then we have services here, tertiary services, merchant services, and then we have foreign exchange, and also we have the last one, it's online and mobile business, online banking and mobile banking. So let's come back to the home page. We have also other things here, as you can see, and we have here some fixed and some options here. You can just go for the one you want, and then that's it with it. And then we have here commercial here, as you can see we have commercial home, client service, we have funds financing, multifamily lending, have a commercial overview. We are here to help build up your business so you can create more value, impact, and potential. You can rely on our dedicated specialists, highly responses. We have about EverBank. We know the hard work you put in to get where you are, and we want you to know that finding you and earned advantage is what drives us. Above whole leadership, security center, cars here, new and media. We have newsroom, awards, and recognition, and that's it with it. So as you can see, EverBank offers a unique blend of competitive financial products, cutting-edge technology, and personalized services, all backed by a strong commitment to security and client success. Whether you are looking to manage your finances efficiently or grow your wealth strategically, EverBank is dedicated to helping you achieve your financial goals with confidence. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.